Alrighty guys, we got some kind of custom 2-pill. I don't know who built it or what, don't matter. I know we put way too much time to fix it. It's got new transistors, yeah, a bunch of new capacitors and everything. It ain't very pretty, but it works okay. That's the main thing. We got it all fixed up and going where we're at. Set the lid back on him. We'll turn him off for a minute. Get our straight through SWR. Worldwide, 0. Turn back on. Input SWR, worldwide, 0. 1000-watt slug, PP. Worldwide, 270 maybe. On the LP. Worldwide, hello. About the same, hello audio. So just a couple hundred watts, not bad watts. Hello audio, I put way too much work in it. But he wanted to fix, so we fixed it. We'll turn it on, hit it with a little drive. Hit it with 80-watt drive. 1000-watt slug, 80-watt driven. Worldwide, where that branch lies. Hello audio, so on PP with a little drive. So if you get a hot radio, it'll do a little better. On the LP, hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello. But there she is. She's all up and going for you. Some kind of custom. Not really sure what it is. Some kind of custom built 2-pill. She's up and running. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Tim. See you on the videos. Catch you later. Bye.